I am deeply grateful for the unconditional love within my family. I appreciate the lessons my family teaches me each day. I am thankful for the laughter we share at home. I am grateful for the bond that connects us through every season of life. I am thankful for the safe space my family provides. I am grateful for the support I receive from my loved ones. I cherish the moments of joy I share with my family. I am grateful for the unique qualities of each family member. I honor the love and patience my family shows me. I am thankful for the growth that comes from family challenges. I am grateful for the kindness my family extends to me. I deeply appreciate the nurturing energy of my home. I am thankful for every hug, smile, and gesture of love. I am grateful for the deep roots of connection in my family. I cherish the kindness I give and receive. I am thankful for the love that surrounds me. I am grateful for friends who uplift and inspire me. I cherish the memories I create with my friends. I am thankful for the loyalty of my friendships. I am grateful for the strength of my support system. I value the deep conversations I share with my friends. I am thankful for the understanding and compassion they show me. I am grateful for friendships that grow with me. I am thankful for the unconditional love of true friends. I am grateful for the flow of wealth into my life. I appreciate the abundance that surrounds me daily. I am thankful for the opportunities that increase my prosperity. I celebrate the financial blessings I receive. I am thankful for the resources that allow me to live in comfort. I am grateful for the wealth I am creating. I deeply appreciate the abundance of choices in my life. I am thankful for the prosperity that expands my freedom. I am grateful for every dollar that flows easily to me. I am grateful for the security that money provides. I appreciate the opportunities wealth brings to help others. I am thankful for the abundance of opportunities in my career. I am grateful for the steady growth of my financial blessings. I celebrate the abundance that is always available to me. I am thankful for the freedom money provides. I am grateful for the security in my life. I am grateful for my body and all it does for me. I am thankful for the gift of good health. I appreciate the energy that flows through me. I am grateful for the healing power within my body. I honor the strength and resilience of my body. I am thankful for each nourishing meal I receive. I am grateful for restful sleep and rejuvenation. I am thankful for the peace within my mind. I deeply appreciate the ability to move, breathe, and live fully. I am grateful for my health improving every day. I am thankful for the gift of this new day. I am grateful for the beauty of nature around me. I am grateful for the lessons life teaches me. I am thankful for my inner strength and resilience. I appreciate the freedom I have to choose my path. I am grateful for the opportunities to grow and expand. I celebrate the blessings that show up in unexpected ways. I am thankful for the love that surrounds me everywhere I go. I am grateful for the peace that resides within me. I appreciate the creativity flowing through my mind. I am thankful for the wisdom that guides my decisions. I celebrate the journey of my life with gratitude. I am thankful for all the ways I am supported by the universe. I am grateful for the chance to start fresh each day. I appreciate the balance and harmony in my life. I am thankful for the experiences that shape who I am. I am grateful for love in all its forms. I celebrate my life with a heart full of gratitude. I am grateful for fresh opportunities each morning. Thank you for sharing this moment of gratitude with me. May your heart stay light and your blessings grow. If this brought you peace, give it a like and subscribe so we can keep growing in gratitude together. Your blessings are waiting, and you are worthy of every single one of them.